Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to access an old Cash App account without an email address or phone number. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is sign out from your Cash App account first. So you can do that by once you're logged in, coming up to the top right hand corner, pressing on your profile icon and then selecting sign out. So once you do that, next go ahead and open up a Cash App. You're going to be presented with a screen like this where you've got the option to use a phone number. Or if you come down to the bottom, you can change to use an email to log into your account. Now to actually access your old account, if you look in the top right hand corner, you've got a little question mark. So if you actually press onto this, it's going to come up with a pop-up saying, I need help logging in. So what you want to do is press onto this where it says, I need help logging in. And then what it's going to do is help us find the account by providing one of the following. Of course, we don't have our phone number or email. So what we're going to do is press onto the cash tag option. And what you can do is go ahead and enter your cash tag to locate your account. Now, if any reason you don't have your cash tag, you don't remember what it was or anything like that, then you'll need to get in contact with the Cash App support team, which you can do via the app. There is a live chat feature, however, if you do have your cash tag, once you enter that, it's going to say, can you access the phone with the number ending in this? And if you don't have access to phone number, you should go ahead and select no. Now, at this point, if you don't have any of that information, what it's going to do is come up with a message basically saying that they could not verify your information. What you need to do is create a new account to contact support. So if that's the case, what you're going to want to do is go into your Cash App and basically create a new account. And if you speak to the support team, they will help you to recover your old account. So that's basically how you can access an old Cash App account without an email address or phone number. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.